Okay, if you have a third gen Toyota, you may have received the recall to come in and fix your rear taillight gasket. This gasket right here, the original OEM gasket on the Toyota Notice under warranty, will be replaced. It leaks right now if you haven't replaced it. So I took mine in after about a year of having it because I didn't think I had the problem. It leaked, and then what you'll notice is on your headliner, if you can see it, you can see a discoloration right there, lighter gray. Right here, it's kind of hard to see. There we go. You can see some of that discoloration. And under the recall type thing, notice the service department dealership was supposed to replace any damage to the headliner. Oh, mine did not. So look on your recall, and I'll post that up if I can find it, what it looks like. So here is the overview on the issue Toyota previously addressed. 2016-2019 double cab Tacoma models with center high mounted stop lamp, the third brake light. The stop lamp leaks through specific service campaigns. Campaign 2-1 Tango Delta 03 and Tango SB 005518. So service bulletin. Dealerships replace the failing factory gasket or housing. Yep, they did that on mine. If internal water damage or mold occurred, extensive interior cleaning or headliner carpet replacement is standard. They did not do that on mine. They probably should have. I don't know. What are you going to do? Anyway, for a visual breakdown of how dealerships inspect and apply the updated gasket and trim ring repair kit to stop the leaking, and they just go through and just obviously replace that gasket right there. Let's see. That's 8 minutes long.
So today what we have is,
there it is.
Notice for a while. This is for the third brake light, or the high mount light on the Toyota Tacoma. Mine is currently not leaking. Basically, I haven't had the time to take it in and get the recall done, which is, I think, just an upgraded.
Yeah, same with my, I didn't have time to take it. I just didn't really worry about it. You can see the gasket is smaller here than the one I just showed you. He had the recall as well. So let's see here.
That they end up putting around here. So
let's see.
What I'm going to do is I got the day off and have an appointment to take it in. So I was going to take it in, get them to do it, then show you what it looks like afterwards. I know they do have to drop the headliner partially. There's two 10mm bolts that hold this in, and then it comes out.
Interesting. So they do drop the headliner to get the light out. Okay, let's go forward here. Let's scan forward. Does he have it? Here, what Toyota will do. All right. Here you go. Here's the condition. The center high mounted stop lamp. All right. On the involved vehicles has a seal between the lamp and the vehicle body, which can deteriorate over time. If the seal deteriorates sufficiently, water from outside the vehicle could leak into the vehicle's cabin through the seal. Correct. Yes, that is correct. All right.
Really get this other side where the bolt is, but this is the only bolt that holds this cover on.
He's talking about the cover now. Did he go in? Did he get it fixed? I'm curious now. Did he get it fixed? He's talking about something else. Hold on. Now he's underneath the truck. What's this one? Same thing. That's his repair bill. Installed trim ring repair. Okay. There we go. There you go. This looks like mine.
What they end up doing is they just use like some type of gasket sealant. It's a black gasket sealant. So I guess they pull the light out, maybe put the black gasket sealant around, and then they end up.
He said he put a sealant around. Okay. It looks like a whole gasket, so I don't know. I'm not messing with it. It stopped leaking. So there you go. Other people have got it done. Most people just put it off. He didn't say anything about the headliner being replaced or anything. But it's curious. So he's got a 4Runner and a Tacoma. Anyway, go get it done. I would check with them. Like you said, if you bought this car and you never had it done or you got it used, check the VIN if it's been repaired on this service bulletin. And when you do go in, I would point out any damage to the headliner and make them note it. and they should give you a clean headliner or clean it, check for mold. Yeah, there you go. Hope this helps. This is the new gasket on the truck, but it would obviously leak in with the rainwater or car wash, whatever you're doing, from the hood down under that gasket and get into the headliner, probably through the holes where the wires came through for the light. Let's look at it together. So that is the new gasket they put on. I don't think they replaced the light. They just replaced that gasket on the outside. And you can see it's a little beefier. The other one you barely noticed. And of course with the sun and all that, I'm sure it would fail and make the leaking a lot worse.